Hey there riders! Jan here from Wunderlich America, and today we've got something that every DesertX rider needs. The Wunderlich Ducati DesertX front axle slider. It's not just about protection, it's about keeping your DesertX in top shape, even when things don't go as planned. So let's get into why this is a must-have. Imagine a scenario. Your bike takes a spill. What's at risk? Your front fork, wheel, axle and the precious brake system. That's where your axle protection pads come to the rescue. They create a buffer between these critical components and the ground, reducing or avoiding costly damage altogether. What makes these special? Two words: damping and abrasion resistance. The damping feature helps absorb a significant amount of the impact energy during a fall, protecting your front end. And then there's abrasion resistance. The unique geometry of these pads means that as they wear, the abrasion resistance increases. So if you're sliding along the road, these pads not only reduce the friction, but also shorten the time and distance you slide. And this is very important. Now, let's get technical. Crafted from highly durable special plastic, these pads are designed to take a hit. They're impact absorbing and their abrasion resistance increases as they wear. When you choose Wunderlich, you're getting a premium product, made in Germany with design and functionality at its core. Installation is a breeze, and it's the ideal partner for our vehicle-specific protective systems. Together, they give your DesertX extra support during a slide. So whether you're conquering trails or hitting the open road, the Wunderlich Ducati DesertX front axle slider is a simple yet effective insurance policy against those unexpected moments. As always, hop on our bike finder on the Wunderlich America website and enter your year, make and model to see what parts we have to enhance your ride. If you have any questions, please feel free to pick up the phone and call us at 828-489-3747 or shoot us an email at info@wunderlichamerica.com. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to speed on all future videos when they hit the channel. Stay tuned as we continue bringing you the industry's best motorcycle parts and accessories. I'm Jan. Ride safe and ride in style and confidence with Wunderlich.